Assalamu alaikum. Today's class is about major cities of Pakistan as well as rivers of Pakistan. So, all of you must know that how to label these cities. There are few tricks, and you people can understand these tricks, and you can label the accurate answers in your papers. So, the topic is major cities and rivers of Pakistan. So, we'll start from this topic: major cities and rivers for labeling. So, rivers for labeling. So, we'll definitely start from the cities of Balochistan. So, before going into details of Balochistan, you must know that Pakistan map is quite significant and it is easy to learn. So, you can simply make note of this map. So, look at that. This is the cat, and this is the nose, and this is the face of cat. This is the face. This is front leg. This is front legs. This is tummy of the cat. So this is back leg. So back leg is not complete because it is not in India's hand. So that is back leg. That is so this is the overall shape. So now just twist the cat. You can understand from this side. This is the map, and the map is just like the cat shape. So this cat has the face towards Balochistan. The front leg is Sindh. The tummy is Punjab as it is feeding the cat, and the high areas which are in KPK. So that is the upper body of the cat. So this is the basic structure. So now we'll start from the major cities. So the first major city is the capital city of Balochistan. Now look at that. When you will move towards the face of the cat and you will move towards the upper body of the cat, there is the first outside curve on the cat. That is basically Quetta. In the middle of that uh, curve, there is Quetta, which is the capital city of Balochistan. Then we have another city. That city is very famous, and that city is newly built, you can say. And this city is Pakistan's better port now, and that is Gwadar. So look at that. The uh, main deepest point on the in between the ears, this one is the deepest point. Look at that. So just come towards the coastline of Pakistan with the dots, and at the edge of that coastline on the ear on the lower side, this is Gwadar. And same just on the other side of Gwadar, like on that deep curve on the other side of the boundary line, there is another city. This is called Nokundi, Nokundi or Dalbadin. So these are the cities which are present at that site. Now, this is the second important trick. And the third trick is the city which is very famous and it is close to Karachi. You can see that city is the curve on the boundary line of Pakistan. You can see there is a curve on the boundary line of Pakistan where the boundary line of Balochistan and Sindh is meeting. Now look at that, this boundary line. This is just like V-shaped curve, and in the middle you can say V1, and this is V2. So in the V1 side, there is the city which is adjacent to Karachi, and it is very close to Karachi. That is hub city. So only these four cities can be given from Balochistan for the labeling in your exam. So I hope so. You people are clear about the Balochistan. So there are four cities of Balochistan. So the first one is Quetta, which is the capital city, and this is on the curve. Then Gwadar, then Nokundi, then Hub. So right close to Hub, towards the Sindh side, there are the cities of Sindh. So Sindh cities, you have these cities are quite famous, and these cities can be given for labeling again and again, and these are quite common cities. Now look at that. We have made V2 This is basically along with the close to hub, there is another city. This is Karachi. So Karachi is very famous city. So that is the industrial city of Pakistan. So just close to that, there is river Indus, which is draining into Arabian Sea. So this part is called Thatta or Indus Delta. Basically, Indus Delta is located in the city. So that city is called Thatta. So Indus Delta or the city is called Thatta. This city is called Thatta. So Thatta is another city. So apart from that, we must know that there is a C-type curve, which is the Indus is taking in the Sindh province. Now look at that. The C-type of that C-type curve, that city is Sakhar, and the other city, which is at the end of the city, that sea, that is Hyderabad. So that is basically the structure. That is the way you people can understand the map of Sindh as well. So these are the main cities of Sindh. So you must have the knowledge of these cities for the labeling. Now we are moving towards the cities of KPK. So KPK is obviously a long province, and this province has a few main cities, and the capital city of Sindh is that is Peshawar. So you can see on the upper body of the cat, there is one sharp curve is located at that point. Now look at that. This is the sharp curve, the most sharp curve you can see on the upper side. There is no other sharp curve on the upper side. So at the end of that sharp curve, there is alphabet J. If you will write the wrong alphabet J, like this way, so at the edge of that wrong alphabet J, at this point, there is Peshawar. So this is another important city. So apart from that, there is another major city of KPK. That city is look at that last curve, the end curve, the tail curve of the cat, and the Gilgit-Baltistan curve is also here. So in between these two curves of Gilgit-Baltistan, as well as the end of Pakistan on the north side, this is basically in the middle of that, these two curves, there is the city Chitral. There is the city Chitral. So I hope so you people are clear now. Next is another area which can be given in your exam for the labeling. That area is the big area in KPK, and that area is called FATA. So look at that. This city is this area, the area basically that boundary line, and this area is FATA. So FATA can be given for the labeling in your exam. So you must be clear regarding FATA. So FATA is very important area, and always write it in capital alphabets. FATA, federally administered tribal area. So this complete like they are starting from the point where KPK is written and at the ending at the Balochistan's boundary. So it is very long area along with the border of Afghanistan. So that's why Afghanistan claims that the FATA is the area which is basically KPK's area, not KPK's area, it is the area of Afghanistan. So that's why they claim that this area must be given to Afghanistan. So and that was about KPK. So now we are moving towards Gilgit city. So Gilgit-Baltistan is one region. So in the Gilgit city, just close to that, you can say this is the area, this is the city which is called Gilgit city. So Gilgit city is very, very close to Chitral. So you can see there is a straight line, and this point is basically Gilgit city. So apart from Gilgit city, we must know that there are few cities of Punjab. So territorially, there is one city that is the capital of Pakistan. Look at that. On the boundary line of KPK. Look at that. The boundary line of KPK, Azad Kashmir. You can look at that map. So this area is already shaded for you, and this is not the area of any other province. Like this is the capital city. So capital city is not a area of any other province. Rather, it is ICT independent hai, that is Islamabad Capital Territory. So Islamabad is the area. So now we are moving towards next city. This is the twin city of Islamabad, and the twin city of Islamabad is that is Rawalpindi. So just close to Islamabad, this is Rawalpindi. Now there is a difference. Like you must know that Rawalpindi and Islamabad are two separate areas. So if there would be Islamabad, so there would be Islamabad would be given separately. So it is not a provincial area. It is not a area of any other province. So that's why it would be given separately. So apart from that, you can see on the top right corner of uh, uh, Islamabad, there is Murray. Murray is the city of Punjab. Murray is the city of Punjab. Now we'll move towards the other areas. Now look at that. So you must have the uh, uh, knowledge of rivers before going into the detail of other cities. So now the rivers are many cities of Punjab which are located in between these two four rivers. So and the first main city is located at the edge of river Ravi. When you enter in Lahore, so you cross the river Ravi. So that's why Lahore is located at the bank of river Ravi. So apart from that, where river Sutlej and Ravi are meeting, there is a V-shaped curve. There is a V-shaped curve, and that V-shaped curve is, look at that. This is the last edge, and at the end of that V-shaped curve, there is city that is called Multan. Multan and Lahore has two common things. Like both are located between the river Ravi and the river Sutlej, so that is the main common thing in between. So apart from that, there are three more cities in Punjab which can be given for labeling. The first city is at the edge, at the border of River Ravi, but on the other side, Lahore is on the other side. The close to India, this city is Sialkot. This is famous for sports goods. This is famous for surgical items. The closest city to Sialkot and the closest city to Sialkot is Gujranwala. So Gujranwala is famous for so many things. So small scale industry of Gujranwala is famous. Apart from that, there are ceramic items. So there is the difference between Sialkot and Gujranwala. So just make the double difference between them, like this one. This city is Cottonopolis of Pakistan, the most famous cotton industry there. So that is Faisalabad. Faisalabad. So apart from that, there are no other cities given in the exam for labeling. So these are the main cities for labeling. Thank you for watching. I hope you people understand from this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and thank you.